Now that we've shown you how to play ORBA and make songs using the built-in looper, let's dive into more ways you can customize your ORBA, switch sounds, save songs, and more with the ORBA app. So fire up your computer and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is update ORBA's firmware. To do this, you'll need the ORBA desktop app, which you can download from artiphon.com/downloads. Once you have the app installed, make sure your ORBA is turned on and connected via the provided USB-C cable. To update your firmware, open the app, locate the Artiphon logo in the top right corner, and click on it to pull up the settings menu. In this menu, you'll see a green cloud icon labeled Firmware Update. Click it, give it a few moments to update, and voila! Your ORBA's firmware is up to date. We're always improving ORBA's firmware, so it's a good idea to check back here periodically to make sure your ORBA is up to date. We'll explore the rest of the settings in this menu a little later, but for now, let's close it out and get back to the nitty-gritty. Back in the main app window, the first thing you might notice are these colorful floating orbs. These orbs correspond to ORBA's drum, bass, chord, and lead modes, and will swap themselves out according to which mode you select. You can either select modes on ORBA itself, or by clicking these orbs in the app. Either way, ORBA and the app will stay synchronized to tell you exactly which mode you're playing in. In the center of the top bar, you'll notice a title with a pencil next to it. This is the name of your current ORBA song. Pressing the pencil icon will open a pop-up window that allows you to customize that song. You can choose the key that you would like ORBA to play in, the tempo of the song, and even assign custom artwork to give it a little extra flair. Once you've gotten all of your settings right, you can hit the Save button, and those changes will be applied to ORBA. From there, you can press the Record button in the top left corner to start recording some loops. To learn more about looping on ORBA, you can watch the Making a Song videos in our tutorial series. If you don't quite like something you played and want another take, you can select the mode you want to undo and hit the Clear button. This will erase whatever MIDI is recorded to that mode and give you a clean slate to try again. When you have an idea that you like and want to save, you can press pause and then hit the Save button in the top right. A new window will pop up where you can name it, give it some artwork, and save it to your Songs folder. To find your Songs folder, all you have to do is click this Browse tab on the left side of the window. When the tab slides out, you'll see all of your songs. Each song is a collection of presets, the MIDI you played, a key and tempo, plus fun metadata like tags, artists, and artwork. From here, you can listen back, keep working on your song, and even choose to share your new creations with your friends. Now, ORBA comes with preloaded factory sounds that are a blast to play right out of the box. But variety is the spice of life, so we stocked the app with a bunch of presets that allow you to choose and play the sounds you like. To explore these presets, just click this Presets tab. Select the mode you want to change, click the preset you want to try, and press Load. You can load any preset you like onto each mode, allowing you to mix and match to find the perfect combination of sounds. For instance, I'll load the ambient preset on lead, the bedroom preset on bass, the cartridge preset on drum, and the ORBA and chill preset on chord. Now that I've got my own custom collection of sounds, I can save it to my Songs folder so I can access it anytime I want. Before we end this lesson, let's take a brief look at some more of ORBA's settings. Close the Browse tab for now and navigate back to the Settings menu. In the menu, you'll see a number of useful options, such as an option to turn ORBA's internal synth on or off, which is handy when you're using ORBA as a MIDI controller with your favorite DAW. Pitch bend scale allows you to customize how sensitive your ORBA is to vibrato. And MIDI mode allows you to choose how you want your ORBA's MIDI to be routed and handled when using your DAW. If you're interested in taking a deeper dive here, we suggest visiting the ORBA user manual. Now that you know the basics of how to use the ORBA app, it's time to explore, get creative, and most importantly, have fun. We look forward to seeing how you use your ORBA.